Hi kids, welcome back to our innovation. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம சேனல்ல 6th standard social science term 2 unit 1 Vedic culture in North India and Megalithic culture in South India இதை பற்றி தான் நம்ம இப்போ பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ இந்த லெசன் யூனிட் 1ஓட புக் வேல்யூவேஷன் நம்ம இன்னைக்கு பார்க்கலாம். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளார போகலாம். இங்கே லெசன் நேம் நீங்கள் பார்த்தாலே தெரியும். ஸோ வேதிக் கல்ச்சர் இன் நார்த் இந்தியா. ஸோ நார்த் இந்தியாவில் இருக்கக்கூடிய வேதிக் கல்ச்சர் அண்ட் மெஹலத்திக் கல்ச்சர் இன் சவுத் இந்தியா. ஸோ இந்த ரெண்டு கல்ச்சரை பற்றியும் தான் இந்த லெசனில் டீட்டெயிலாக கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அபவுட் த வேதிக் ஏஜ். ஓகே, அந்த பீப்புள் எப்படியெல்லாம் இருக்காங்க, வாட் ஆர் தேர் சோர்சஸ். See, they had given the Vedic texts and all. So Vedic culture different under different headings they had given in detail. Then megalithic age, it is an iron age in Tamil Nadu. Okay, Tamil Naduல இருந்த megalithic age பற்றி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. So this all we can see in this lesson. Now let us see the book evaluation. Roman letter 1 is choose the correct answer. Aryans first settled in Punjab region. Answer is Punjab. Aryans came from Central Asia. Our national motto Satyameva Jayate is taken from Upanishad. Okay, the answer is Upanishad. What was the ratio of land revenue collected during the Vedic age? That is 1/6. Okay. Now match the statement with reason. Tick the appropriate answer. The assertion is the Vedic age is evicted by good number of text and adequate amount of material evidences. So the assertion is false. Okay. Reason is Shrutis comprises the Vedas, Brahmanas, Arankyas and the Upanishads. So the reason is correct. Okay. The reason is true but the assertion is wrong. Okay. So answer is D. D தான் இதுக்கான கரெக்ட் சூஸ். ஓகே, ரைட் ஆப்ஷன். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் 1. Peripalus mentions the steel imported into Rome from peninsular India was subjected to duty in the port of Alexandria. Statement 2 is evidences for iron smelting has come to light and Payampally. C is the right answer. Okay, both the statements are correct. So statement 1 and 2 both are correct. Which of the statement is not correct in the Vedic society? Child marriage was in practice. So this is the not correct answer. Okay, this is not practiced there. Child marriage was not practiced. Okay, so B is the correct answer. Which is the correct ascending order of the Rig Vedic society? So Gram, answer see here, B is the correct answer. Kula, Gram, Vis, Jana and Rashtra. This is the correct ascending order. Okay. The next, fill in the blanks. Vedic culture was kinship in nature. Okay, answer is kinship. Bali was the tax collector from people in Vedic period. Gurukula system is an ancient learning method. Adichanallur is in Thoothukudi district. So you can copy this answer, children. True or false? The Roman artifacts found at various sites provide the evidence of Indo-Roman trade relations. So this is true. A hero stone is an memorial stone raised in remembrance of the honorable death of a hero. This is true. The army chief was called Gramani. This is false. The black and red ware pottery became the characteristic of Megalithic period. True. Evidence for iron smelting has come to light a Payapalli. True. Roman letter 5. Match the following. See, Keeladai. Here the first one is correct. Okay. Second one, Porundal. 2 is the right one. Tips of the plow. Okay. Kudumanala, that is third, spindles. Adichanallur, 4, okay, gold ornaments. So this is the right answer, match. Roman letter 6, answer in 1 or 2 sentence, name the 4 Vedas, page number 98. The answer is here, 4 Vedas are Rig, Sama, Yajur and Atharva, okay. Second question, what were the animals domesticated by Vedic period? Page number 101. Here you can see under the heading economic life, the elephant, horses, okay. Elephant, horses, cows, goat, sheep, oxen and dogs are domesticated. So it is given here. Later on enna pannanga, they domesticated even elephant for their work, okay. So this is the answer for the second one. Third question, what do you know about megalith? Page number 103. The term megalith is derived from Greek. Megas means great and lithos means stone. Using big stone slabs built upon the places of burial is known as megalith. So this is the answer for the third question. What are dolmens? Page number 105. Dolmens are megalith tomb made of 2 or more upright stone with a single stone lying across the burial site, okay. This is called dolmens, okay. To see that it is given, no, this structure is called dolmens. So answer fourth question, here from here to here you need to mark, inga mark pannikanga. Fifth question, what are urns? Page number 105. See here in the picture it is given. Urn means urn is a large pottery jar were used for burying the dead. Okay, this is called as urns. Sixth question, name the coins used for business transaction in Vedic period. Page number 101. Nishaka, Satmana, that is gold coins, and Krishnala, that is silver coin. So this you have to write. So these are used for the business transactions. Okay. Seventh question, children. Name some megalith monuments found in Tamil Nadu. The answer is on page number 105. See, you can see here. Megalith dolmens have been found in Veeraragavapuram, okay, village, Kanjipuram district, and Kummala Marattur Patti, Dindigul district, and Narasingambatti, Madurai district. So you have to mark from here to here. This is the answer for the seventh question. Now children, we had completed Roman letter 7 is there. Answer the following. Write briefly about archaeology site at Kodumanal. Page number 105. So here it is given. So in the para fullave eludunga. Kodumanal, that is in Erode district. So they had given about Kodumanal a paragraph. So in the full para ninga eludana up to here. This is the answer for the first brief. Second brief, second question answer. Write about the Vedic woman in paragraph. Here page number 101. Status of woman under the heading. So in the 2 paras kuduthirukanga. You had to write the 2 paras, okay. This is the answer for the second brief, okay. You can write the whole para. Inga irundhu neenga idu varaikku eludikalam. Illana idhula important points eduthu kuda neenga needed mattum eduthu eludikalam, okay. Important points ah potu eludunga. Dear children, that's it. The lesson overs here. Book evaluation fulla நம்ம பார்த்துட்டோம். இந்த லெசன்ல ஃபுல்லா வேதிக் பீரியட்ல அந்த காலத்துல வேதிக் பீரியட்ல நார்த் இந்தியால என்னெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணாங்க, எப்படியெல்லாம் வேதிக் பீரியட்ல இருந்த ரூல்ஸ் அப்போ இருக்கக்கூடியது எல்லாமே இந்த இதில் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, லெசனில் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் எகெயின் மெகாலித்திக் ஏஜில் தமிழ்நாட்டில் எப்படியெல்லாம் இருந்தது அப்படிங்கிறது தான் இந்த லெசனில் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. நீங்கள் ரீட் பண்ணி பாருங்கள். புக் வேல்யூவேஷனும் ரீட் பண்ணி மார்க் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. கண்டிப்பாக இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். எங்களோட சேனலை இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் ஆர் வீடியோ. தேங்க்யூ. ஹாவ் அ நைஸ் டே.